Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about envy apples and their best uses. So hopefully this will help you out if you've never tried an envy apple before. Regarding eating them fresh, envy apples are excellent for any fresh application. You could eat them just fresh out of hand. You could slice them up and put them on a salad or even an appetizer tray. The very special characteristic about envy apples is the fact that they are very, very slow to oxidize or turn brown. It can take up to 10 hours before they actually start to turn brown. So you can cut them up early and serve them fresh on an appetizer tray if you're having guests over and you want some little nibbles for them, or children or yourself or whatever. You can cut them up early without having to do any special treatment with them, and they should stay fresh looking for you. Because of that characteristic, envy apples are an excellent choice for like a Waldorf salad or other salads, and they also pair well with cheese and fruity oatmeal bowls as well. Envy apples are also great for baking applications. They hold their shape well, and so you could use them as a baked apple, and you could also include them in pies, crisps, and other baked goods. And they have the characteristics of their parents, which would be the Gala apples and Braeburn apples, so they are sweet and they do maintain their texture well. They also go well in baked goods if you combine them with other apples, and they are exceptionally well in cakes and pies. You can also cook envy apples. They can be cooked down into a sauce, and yet they can still hold their shape well in other types of cooking applications. They pair well with chicken and pork and savory dishes, and they can also be included in chicken salads if you want. Bear in mind that the skin of envy apples can be rather tough, so it won't break down easily when you are cooking with them. So you may want to remove the skin of the envy apples before you actually cook with them, so that they'll work well in whatever dish you choose. Envy apples can also be dehydrated. They're a good candidate for that because they are slow to brown and they will maintain their shape once they're dehydrated. But they are still an apple, and if you are dehydrating them, I still would suggest that you treat them with an acidic solution like lemon water or vitamin C powder, ascorbic acid in some water, and that will prevent them from browning in any way, because dehydrating is a prolonged, accelerated process of drying, and even though they are slow to brown, they probably would brown some during the dehydration process. So treating them with a little bit of acidic water would be a good thing to do. Also, if you're not quite sure what to do with an envy apple, even after all that I stated, check out my blog post. The link is below. I do have some recipe links on there that are specifically designed for envy apples. So give that a look-see and maybe it'll help you out. Take care and bye for now.